gram flour 250 gram. Carom seeds 1 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Baking soda 1/4 teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Water 1 cup. Mix well to get smooth and thick consistency. On medium heat, take about spoonful measure of batter and gently drop one by one into the hot oil. Fry until they turn light golden brown in color. Once done, remove from the oil and fry rest of the bhallas. Add 1 teaspoon salt to lukewarm water and mix well. Dip the bhallas in for 8 to 10 minutes. Gently squeeze them one by one and set aside. Yogurt 500 gram. 1 green chili chopped. Few mint and coriander leaves chopped. Salt 1 teaspoon. Water 1 cup. Mix well and set aside. On medium heat, oil 2 tablespoons. Mustard seeds 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Few curry leaves. 2 whole red chili. Turmeric powder 1/2 teaspoon. Sauté for few seconds. Pour it into the yogurt mixture. Arrange the bhallas into a serving dish and pour the yogurt mixture all over the bhallas. Enjoy!